Action. Hello everybody, this is me at a squeezed in tight shot and I'm thinking that it's better. Let's see if I scoot back here. I'm working right here in front of the cutting board and I'm standing right here telling you that this light is too bright for me. Explaining to you how to get it done. Over and out. Welcome everybody to the Me Show. And this is me standing up straight and talking in my mark. And this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship. Action. Hello everybody. Can you see me better? We're at a white screen right now and I am here to tell you how to dice an onion. I'm here working, taking my knife, I'm gonna slice, 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 slice. It's already dull, so don't worry. It's actually my first chef knife that I ever used in culinary school. See how old it is? You can't even tell it's a Mercer anymore. By the way, that's the knives I'm using right now is Mercers. Cut, 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 and I'm telling you how to